So I am checking in and it is about 10 o'clock on the dot. I'm having a breakfast smoothie before I get back to my emails. So it has 2 scoops of the organic protein, the creamy chocolate fudge, and this stuff tastes like brownie batter. It's very good. The vanilla is good too if you're not a chocolate person. And I have half of a banana, 2 ice cubes, and a cup of cashew milk. You gotta get out of my spot, little booger. Look at that. He thinks he just owns my blog. Dog with a blog, y'all. Dog with a blog. I just got back from a little trip to Goodwill because I was looking for some oversized, like, boyfriend fit blazers. And I came across this really cute bamboo wired like little basket. It's only $2.99, so I thought it would be really cute in the house. But I'm kind of torn where to put it. I think it's kind of cute here to hold like keys and stuff, but the only problem with leaving it here is I know it's gonna collect junk because we are prone to throw things and leave them there. But I also think it would be really cute on the kitchen table with like bananas, fruit, some other little produce. So let me know in the comments where you think I should put it, or if I should even have it. I like it. I don't know. What do you think? Guys, what I got at Goodwill today. So it's like a little oversized, and I do need to clean this. Luckily, I'm cleaning my bed sheets today too. So I got this like cute little black blazer. I thought it would be so cute with like the jeans I'm wearing. They're like boyfriend style with these black shoes. Don't look at my toenails. But I'll show you in like a video. I'll get my mirror out. And then I found this really cute little pink sweater. It's a turtleneck, and I'm all about turtlenecks this year. $1.99, guys. Come on. And I found a BCBG little black dress, and you can never go wrong with a black dress, and it's not too short, but it's not too long. So if I wanted to get all, you know, fancy and business ladylike, I could just put it right under the blazer. So yeah, there's my Goodwill haul. Okay. No. See if I can crack this egg with one hand. Oh my, and my left hand. This is not gonna be good. Oh my god, that was horrible. Here is my beautiful lunch. We have some delicious vegan macaroni and cheese for a nice little carb portion. We have some strawberries that I really needed to eat before they went bad. I don't know what he's doing. Leo likes to go under the table. Anyways, an egg and veggies. This is my lunch. I know you or mix them with macaroni and cheese.
What can I get started for you?
Can I get a tall cappuccino with almond milk? And can I have an extra shot of espresso in that? Can I also get a puppuccino?
Sure. Anything else for you today?
That's it.
Alright, I'll have you settle at the window. Thank you.
Thanks. I got Leo a little puppuccino. These are so cute for the dogs. I am having a tall almond milk with an extra shot cappuccino. Going to be looking at me, and they probably are. Leo, look at. He's so scared. Aww. All right, I'm heading out because I gotta drive. Bye.
Receipt button to issue receipt.
I need to scan this.
Drive.
Thank you, lady. Thank you. Can you go inside? I'm having my favorite water. Hint water is the best way. I like how it's focusing on the pumpkin spice thing. Knows me too well. Hint water is my favorite. Keeps me hydrated because it actually makes me want to drink water. I need to figure out how to make something taste this good. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. This is one of the best dairy-free cheeses that I've had, the shreds at least. It melts really like cheese. It's really good. I like it. Okay, so, ooh, these pans are heavy. I'm gonna grab it right in there. We are going into the oven. You're going to the oven, not me. I like to set it up really high. Yep. Just to add more vegetables to my life and to use up the vegetables before they go bad, I'm having some sauteed asparagus and I'm cooking it on high. So I'm using the toasted sesame seed oil with my asparagus to add some flavor. And then I will add a little bit of sea salt and pepper. And when these get soft, I'm also gonna add a little bit of the gluten-free soy sauce because it makes everything taste good. Now I'm gonna add a little bok choy because who doesn't love some bok choy? Look at this green water. It's for the dogs. It's for a healthy mouth. You like your green water? Some water. Those are almost done. I know it smells good, but it smells like it's burning a little. So yeah.
No, just slow down a bit. He's gonna do it. He did it.